The little fellers are coming over. You little beggars. Feed them bird seeds, not white bread. Bad for them. Pigeons were brought here and domesticated by people and don't really have many natural instincts and ways to survive without humans. So be a bird feeder, not a bird eater, especially in the cold winter months. All right, little babies. Look up a factory farm video. It's shell to hell. The egg industry is one of the cruelest. Baby chicks are mercerated, the boys, and the girls are debeaked and stuffed in tiny cruel cages for their entire lives. Little white dove. So be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. For the poultry industry, many are bred to grow many times their natural size, destroying their bodies, causing lots of suffering. Many have broken bones and lameness, heart attacks, because they're bred to grow so unnaturally big. It'll be like a baby that weighs 60 pounds or more. Their bodies can't support it. Let me get a little more babies. Yes, it's animals that are the victims. Just leave them alone at best. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. At least, at the best. It's humans that are overpopulated, destructive pests. In just 50 years, human animals have doubled and killed off 69% of wildlife. Smaller families, free birth control, organic, not the poison to bees, birds, small animals, squirrels, and yourself. Organic saves. So go organic and vegan. Simply leave animals alone. Look up a factory farm video, like Farm to Fridge on YouTube. Meat.org, meatvideo.com. Here you go, little cuties. Hey, little dove. Share if you can.